Hello students. So now let us discuss the next derivation, that is distance between two parallel lines. So we all know the parallel lines have a same slopes. Okay. So here let me consider two lines like this. The first will be y equal to mx plus c1. Okay, I am considering in point intercept form, and second one is y equal to mx plus c2, and these have a same slopes. So let me have the diagram first. This is the two-dimensional plane, and on which this is the first line, y equal to mx plus c2, and this is y equal to mx plus c1. Okay, and it is the origin, and it is making intercept x-intercept on a negative x-axis. Okay, and this is a positive x-axis, and this is a positive y-axis. So now let me find this point is of the form x comma y. So now let me get this point A. Okay, so for this we know the line equation y equal to mx plus c1, and if point is on negative x-axis, it will be of the form minus x comma 0. Correct, it will be minus x comma 0. So now what I will do, I will put y equal to 0 because y is 0. So I will get x equal to minus c1 by m, and this is now x is minus c1 by m comma 0. Okay, so with this help of the point and this straight line, we can find the distance between these two parallel lines. How? Already we derived the previous formula for the distance between a point and a straight line. So now what I will do, I will draw here one perpendicular line, and now this line is known in form of y equal to mx plus c2, and this point is also known, that is minus c1 by m comma 0. So with help of these two, we can derive the formula for the distance between two parallel lines. So now distance formula, distance between two parallel lines 1 and 2 is given by d equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c square root of a square plus b square. This is the formula to have a length between one point and a line. Here the point is what? Minus c1 by m comma 0, that is x1 comma y1, and the line is what? The line is equal to y equal to mx plus c2. Okay, we should know the coefficients a and b, so this can be written as mx minus y plus c2 equal to 0. So a coefficient, so a equal to m here and b equal to minus 1. So substitute all these x1 y1 and a b c in the first one, we will get D equal to A is what? M. X1 is minus C1 by M, and next is Y, but we know the Y is 0 here. Okay, Y1 is 0, so the second term is a 0, and the constant we want, so in place of a constant we have a plus C2. Okay, and whole divided by square root of a square. A square is m square plus b square is 1 square. Okay, and this is a modulus. So now if you multiply, you will get here minus c1 plus c2 and divided by m square plus 1. So now the d, the distance between two parallel lines, will become c2 minus c1 modulus divided by square root of n square plus 1. Okay, so if both parallel lines have the form like this, ax1 a1 x plus by plus c1 equal to 0. Okay, take this as a only, and second line, that is ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0, then the same formula will be modified as c2 minus c1 divided by square root of a square plus b square. Okay, here the y quotient is 1 in this case because of this one, mx minus y plus c2 equal to 0. But here we have a and b as a quotients of x and y, so we have to put here a and b. Okay, I hope this you got clear, and this is the length d found between line and this point. Okay.